Cessna 318, Boise, ground runway 28 right, taxi via Alpha.
Tower 535, ready to go to it, right?
Fresno 535, roger, stand by, traffic short final. Parkman 1, runway 28 left, taxi via Bravo.
Hogman check. 2. Tower Hogman, number 1, 28 left.
Parkman 1, Boise Tower, roger, stand by. Fresno 535, traffic Pilatus, 6 mile final, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff. Aircraft in the upwind is in right traffic.
28 right, clear for takeoff, Rise 535.
Plaza 8 Lima Mike, traffic dash 8 departing prior arrival.
Traffic inside 8 Lima Mike.
Cessna 8 Lima Yankee, start your correction, Cessna 26 Yankee, start your cross 1.
Starting cross 1, 26 Yankee.
Boise Tower, Mall 420 Charlie Delta is with you, about 10 miles out, 5,500 inbound.
Mall 420 Charlie Delta, Boise Tower, continue for runway 28 right.
28 right, still Charlie Delta.
Cessna 26 Yankee, extend your downwind.
Extender downwind for 26 Yankee.
Rising Air 535, contact departure.
535, that's one.
Hogman 1, traffic on final is for the parallel runway, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff, 1070 at 4, change to departure.
Hogman, clear for takeoff, 28 left, switching.
Cessna 26 Yankee, traffic you're following, Pilatus, 2 mile final, report traffic in sight.
We have traffic in sight for 26 Yankee.
This 26 Yankee, follow Pilatus, runway 28 left, correction runway 28 right, cleared for the option. Caution mark turbulence, 2810's departing to left.
Okay, we clear number 2 behind the Pilatus, we'll follow him in, and caution weak turbulence for the A10s for 28 right, 26 Yankee.
Plaza 8 Lima Mike, Cessna on the right, downwind's going to follow you.
8 Lima Mike, copies, traffic in sight.
Plus 8 Lima Mike, right turn at Delta, and say parking.
Right at Delta, Jackson Jet Center, 8 Lima Mike.
Plus 8 Lima Mike, taxi to Jackson's via Alpha, no delay off the runway, please.
Jackson's via Alpha, no delay, 8 Lima Mike.
This 26 Yankee, is this full stop for you?
Negative, just stop and go for 26 Yankee.
Roger, after your go, make left traffic.
After go, left traffic for 26 Yankee.
One check front. Yep.
Horizon Air 318, runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff. Cessna midfield on the runway, going to be in left traffic.
Right, clear for takeoff, Horizon Air 318. Boise Tower, Filthy number 1, 28 left.
Filthy 1, Boise Tower, roger, standby. Mall 0 Charlie Delta, runway 28 right, cleared launch, turning inside of a regional jet on a 14-mile final. Caution wake turbulence, dash 8 departing.
Okay, we're clear to land, 28 right, run with that regional jet, 0 Charlie Delta.
Cessna 26 Yankee, 1 midfield downwind, make right 360 and re-enter the midfield downwind.
Okay, once midfield, make a right 360 and we'll enter the midfield downwind 26 Yankee. We'd like to make this one a full stop.
Cessna 26 Yankee, roger.
Boise Tower, SkyWest 4782, visual approach, 28 right.
SkyWest 4782, Boise Tower, runway 28 right, clear to land number 2, you follow the mall and a midfield right downwind.
Looking for the traffic, we're number 2, cleared 28 right, SkyWest 4782.
Horizon Air 318, contact departure.
Good day, Horizon 318.
Filthy 1, be just another minute for intrail spacing.
Filthy 1.
Filthy 1, runway 28 left, cleared for takeoff, 10503. Traffic on the short right base is a mall for the right. Change to departure.
Clear takeoff 28 left, Filthy 1, welcome.
All 0 Charlie Delta, no need to reply, flight 2810 is departing the south runway, caution wake turbulence. Cessna 26 Yankee, extend your downwind. Traffic on a 5-mile final is a regional jet to report traffic in sight.
We have traffic in sight. We'll extend our downwind for 4726 Yankee.
That was 4782. Traffic to the left downwind's a Cessna. They're going to follow you. They have you in sight.
Roger, Sky was 4782.
Mall 0 Charlie Delta, right turn off the runway and where you parking.
Jackson jet.
Mall 0 Charlie Delta, taxi to Jackson's via Alpha, remain this frequency, good night.
Taxi Alpha, Jackson jet, 0 Charlie Delta, good night.
Cessna 26 Yankee, follow the regional jet, caution wake turbulence, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Follow the regional jet, caution wake turbulence. Can we get a long landing for 26 Yankee?
Cessna 26 Yankee, long landing approved.
Long landing approved, thanks, Centurion 26 Yankee. Okay, here we want to land after the jet to avoid wake turbulence. So we'll watch where he lands, but we'll come in higher than him too to avoid wake turbulence from him.
Skywest 4782, if able, right at Golf, taxi to parking via Alpha, remain this frequency.
No traffic Golf, Skywest 4782.
Boise information, kilo current, Boise altimeter 3001. Cessna 26 Yankee, safe parking.
Parking south side, New City Hangars.
Cessna 26 Yankee, roger, turn left at Echo, cross runway 28 left, then taxi to parking Bravo Foxtrot Juliet with me.
Okay, left at Echo, and we'll cross 28 left and Foxtrot Juliet, Bravo Foxtrot Juliet parking 26 Yankee.